Good morning. It is Monday, the 11th of September, and the markets this morning are lower. Cotton market is lower. Grain markets are mixed. We've got soybeans up, but we've got corn and wheat down. Looking at the outside markets, crude oil market is up. The dollar is up. Metals, we've got gold and silver down. Copper's up some. And as we look at the global stock markets, all are up. Asia closed up. Europe currently is up, and the U.S. is also up. Important news, obviously, is Irma and the reaction to that. Irma has been downgraded to a tropical storm in northern Florida now, moving into Georgia. There are estimated to be 5 million people without power in Florida. And as I mentioned, cotton is sharply lower. We have gasoline lower. We have orange juice higher, all in reaction to the storm. And Atlanta this afternoon expected to see 70-mile-per-hour wind, maybe 5 inches to 7 inches of rain. At one point, there was estimate that we would see damage from the hurricane in the area of $200 billion. Now that's been reduced to $49 billion. And it's interesting, the storm came in west of, a little more west of Miami than at one time was thought, when the estimates were for maximum damage to Miami. As it came up, it went to the east of Tampa, did damage, no doubt, in Naples and in Tampa, and then followed Interstate 75 up. So it actually kind of curved through a path where maybe it wouldn't have hit maybe as populated an area as it one time was thought to hit. The cotton market, why is it sharply lower? Down 248 at 72.11. It opened last night at 8 o'clock Central Time, up 78, and then quickly started to back down. And within an hour, it had gotten down about 110 to 120, stayed there, but during the night it lost ground again, and to where now at one point it was as low as 71.59. Right now it's 72.12, down 247. So you're talking about limit down at one point. What has happened? It appears that there's strong winds coming across southern Georgia and rain. But the market is interpreting what's happening, obviously, as it's not going to be doing substantial damage to this cotton crop. That's what the market's telling us. Well, let's just go through the market. I've given you cotton. November soybeans are up 1 3/4 at 9.63 3/4, a high of 9.68 1/2, a low of 9.61 3/4. December corn is down 1 at 3.55 3/4, with a high of 3.57 3/4 and a low of 3.55. December wheat down 3 1/2 at 4.34 1/4, a high of 4.40 and a low of 4.33. Crude oil is up 20 cents a barrel in October crude at 47.68 a barrel. Dollar is up 20. Gold is down $11 an ounce. Silver is down 26 cents an ounce, and the S&P is up 11. I also mentioned there was some concern that China would perform another test over the weekend. They did not, and the markets are taking that in a very positive way. The fact that Irma did not do more damage than it did, and that we have more stability, it appears, coming out of North Korea, has allowed these international stock markets to all rally. And what else have we got? Well, crop report comes out tomorrow at 11 o'clock. People are forgetting about that. We've also got crop progress coming out this afternoon. I think the market, even though it is sharply lower in cotton, when it starts to think about that report tomorrow, I'm not sure. It's possible the market could bounce some. So that is it. A very interesting and exciting and relieving weekend that it did not do the maximum damage that was once thought. We'll keep our eye on this with reports coming out of southwest Georgia as it pertains to the cotton crop, and we'll let you know what we hear. Have a good day.